In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record, track, and process purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Managing your purchase orders efficiently is crucial for maintaining a clear overview of your business's inventory and cash flow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly create and manage purchase orders, ultimately streamlining your financial operations. Let's start by navigating to your QuickBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Look towards the top of your screen and you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking on this will unveil a drop-down menu filled with various options tailored to your needs. Among these options, you'll want to select Purchase Order. This is an essential step in organizing your purchase transactions, allowing you to keep track of orders from suppliers. A purchase order acts as a formal commitment to purchase goods or services from a vendor. It's not just a document, it is a recorded transaction that helps you manage inventory and accounts payable effectively. Now, with your purchase order window open, you'll need to fill in the necessary details. This includes selecting the vendor you wish to order from, specifying the products or services, and inputting the quantities and prices. It's important to be as accurate as possible here, as this information will directly impact your inventory levels, expected deliveries, and financial reports. Once you've completed and reviewed your purchase order, save it to ensure it's recorded in your system. This could be crucial for future reference or when verifying incoming orders. The beauty of QuickBooks Online is that it provides real-time tracking and comprehensive reporting, which brings us to the next part of our journey, reports. To tap into this powerful feature, head over to the Reports section. You'll find this option typically in the left-hand navigation pane. QuickBooks Online is renowned for its robust reporting capabilities that offer insights into various aspects of your business. In the search bar, type in Open Purchase Order. This will pull up reports related to your existing purchase orders. You're looking for the Open Purchase Order List by Vendor. Selecting this report allows you to see a detailed list of all outstanding orders categorized by vendor. It's an invaluable tool to keep track of pending deliveries and unpaid liabilities. Reviewing this report regularly can help you manage supplier relationships effectively, ensuring you're stocked with the necessary inventory without overspending. Maintaining this balance is key to effective business management. And with that, you've now learned how to efficiently handle purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Remember, regular monitoring and management of your purchase orders can significantly ease your operational load and enhance your business efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy bookkeeping!